marinate the meat 24 hours ago, and I'm going to show you how it look now. Here it is. It is my lovely jerk pork shoulder. Yeah, why not? Here it is. Just gonna cook it off, you know. I will put the link in the description box for the meat, and this recipe you can do for Father's Day, honestly. This is amazing. Look at that jerk pork. I'm using the shoulder bit of the meat, but look how that look nice, proper marinated. That look amazing, guys. Honestly, fantastic, nice. I love it. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna cook this. It will take roughly about an hour to cook, but trust me, it's gonna be amazing. Look at that, fantastic. The color, the texture, everything is amazing. Now, yeah, I turn on my oven, and the best way to cook it in the oven like that is 175 on the electric or 165 on the electric. Gas mark 6 or 7, or if you're using Fahrenheit Celsius is 350 or 355 in the middle of the oven, and cook it on a medium size heat for 1 hour. All right, stay tuned. I will put the link how I marinate this beautiful jerk pork shoulder, and the link will be in the description box. Thank you for watching. Nice one, guys. So basically right over here I have some basmati rice. You can use brown rice or you can use long grain rice, but I'm just using the old good basmati rice right here. All right, to do my rice and peas. So secondly, I must say to you that I'm going to be washing off this. I have roughly about 5 cups of rice inside of here. I didn't measure it out. I roughly about 5 cups. All right, so you need to just wash off this beautiful rice over here now. All right, guys, so stay tuned. Nice one. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. Now, I want to say to you, a lot of people doesn't like wash rice, but I encourage you, please wash your rice. If you even want to cook it, wash it after. Wash your rice before you cook it. All right, because you know what I mean. These things nowadays you have to be careful. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is put in the rice. All right. Beautiful. And again, now when I wash the rice good, look at the grain. The grain them look totally white like paint. All right, guys. So yeah, I think I'm cooking too much rice and peas, you know. It's only me alone. Yeah? No. You got more of us. Alright, guys, look at that. If you want your rice and peas red like paint, add more peas. Too much liquid. Basmati rice is very easy to cook, so you have to be careful. Alright, this looking good. This looking perfect. Right, so the basmati rice is so easy to cook. You just want a little bit of water over it, because you know what I mean, it will sticky like glue. Alright, if you're cooking like long grain rice, you can use a lot more water. If you're cooking brown rice, you can use a lot more water. But basmati rice, you have to be careful. Let's taste it. Wow, 100%. not even 100% perfect. I did put a little bit of unsalted butter in it, but yeah, I'll put it in the description box. 100%. So we're gonna make this cook for roughly about 20 minutes, medium size heat. All right. When I said medium size heat, a lot of people must have wondered why Chef Ricardo said medium size heat. Don't rush it. Take your time and make it dry down and cook and simmer. I have it on my electric 4. You might have said, lie, I'm telling. Yes, I got it on 4. If you're using gas mark 4 or 5. I'm using electric, so it's got number like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got mine on 4 at the moment. Fahrenheit, put it on a low temperature. Cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. It's gonna be taken. Yeah, beautiful one. Please enjoy this lovely recipe. This is for Father's Days. All right, stay tuned. Things looking good now. Our real authentic Jamaican rice and peas. All right, now what you need to do is to take out the bad boy, this pepper. We don't want it to burst and mess up our rice and peas today. All of them little bits and pieces, you can just simply scrape them off the top, or you can rub them through the rice and peas if you want. But me personally, this is what I normally do. I normally just take off them off the top. You know what I mean? Yeah. And then I use a fork and root up the rice and peas. All the little time, yeah, if you don't want them. Alright, this rice and peas doesn't red like how I normally make it. It's kind of a little bit, because sometimes I make it red and rice and nice and lovely, but still looking good. Can't complain. Things looking good. Alright, so that's how I say you can't put too much water because the rice will sticky and look like a glue. That's how you see it. So Shelly, yeah, that's what I want. Alright, let's taste it and see what we there. That's perfect. %100% perfect. All right. Real authentic Jamaican coconut rice and peas. Yeah, sell off. Right, just wait on the meat. Alright, now this is finished, done and dusted. Look at that. That is done and dusted. Alright, we don't need to go any further. Rice cooked perfect. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Nice one. So I'm gonna explain what I did. Alright, so I turn over the meat because this side is brown, so I turn it over to this side just now, and I pour off the liquid off the pork. All right, that's the best liquid to use to make the gravy. So what I did when I pour it off, I pour it into this container, put a little bit of ketchup and a little bit of honey, and just pour it back over it. All right, so we're just gonna make it cook down into that lovely sauce. So I just rinse out the ketchup back up with some water and the sauce off the pork. Now, the secret behind it is this. Got a medium size of a white onion. I'm just gonna use it up. Just gonna put this on top. Alright, and just cook it off now. Alright, let's taste the sauce. I want to just stir off the sauce, put a little bit of ketchup. Perfect. Let me see. Yeah, that's perfect. Alright, so make it just cook down to that. Give it a lovely flavor and taste. You can taste how spicy. Ah, nice one. So right here it is. I'm just cooking some corn. Honestly, just nice to just have something like this on the plate. Some boiled corn sometime, you know. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take out the pork, the jerk pork, and we're going to take a good look at it. All right. Nice one. So here it is. I'm going to finish it now, and we're going to serve it up now. Guys, it's finished. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice and lovely. Have a little bit of crispy look on the outside, like a little burn look. Nice one. Look at that. Looking amazing. All right, let's serve it up. Nice one. So I'm just serving up the rice and peas. I'm gonna put the corn on the side. Just gonna get that beautiful pork. Put it right here. That look amazing. Real authentic Jamaican jerk pork. That looking good. That's it. This is amazing. Alright, enjoy the recipe, subscribe, and leave your comments. As I said, Father's Day dinner, looking amazing. We've got a lot more recipe coming up and a lot more ideas from Chef Ricardo and the team. See you next time. Bye bye.